Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I thank Honourable Sachidanand for his question. Yes, he's correct that there is a surge in cancer diagnosis, which is being increasingly noted here in Fiji, and it spares not any particular section within the population. Affects both adults, children, male, female, high and low socioeconomic status. And cancer is also amongst the leading cause of NCDs, causing illness and mortality as well. In terms of the current management we have at the moment, it extends from prevention right up to the avoidance of the risk factors, vaccination, early diagnosis, treatment, medicine, surgical procedures, and radiation therapy, rehabilitation, and that includes chronic pain management. Most treatment modalities that I've mentioned are available at our primary, secondary, and our tertiary healthcare facilities around the country. However, radiotherapy treatment is still not available in the country, and for that, someone to be seeking radiotherapy treatment, they'll have to be referred overseas. As per your question, are there any plans to establish a specific cancer hospital, treatment hospital per se? At the moment, let's say no, because most of the treatment modalities are incorporated in the various settings that I've mentioned. But nevertheless, at present, I mean, there is a dedicated, however, our PPP with Aspen under Government and Healthcare Fiji Limited for Lautoka and Ba Hospital, they were supposed to provide radiotherapy services, one of the tertiary hospitals in Lautoka hospitals in the future. Again, establishing a radiotherapy center is fairly a costly exercise. That is why through the PPP arrangements that I have mentioned, that Lautoka and Ba Hospital were supposed to establish a radiotherapy center. But it doesn't move away with what the current treatment modalities are. Nevertheless, not only cancer therapy, we are anticipating construction soon of heart and kidney treatment that will be coming under the super specialty hospital. For now, in addition to the treatment modalities, the Ministry is working with Lautoka Hospital and the International Atomic Energy Agency towards a radiotherapy treatment center project at Lautoka Hospital that I have mentioned. And also, work is currently undertaken for the multi-sectoral team to review the Radiation Health Act of 2009 to be able to allow the introduction of radiotherapy services in Fiji. That is a prerequisite in order to have the radiotherapy services in Fiji, that our legislation has to align with international standards before. So we are doing that as we speak. And before I sit, I wish to remind everyone, as Honorable Ketan Lal has mentioned, this month is Cancer Awareness Month and Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And as members of this August House and Parliament, I wish everyone, if they can take the opportunity to advocate for cancer awareness in terms of advocating for screening and treatment, and asking people to come on board and have a screening, and also to be identified for treatment if needed be. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.